Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. Boy, what a day we've had. What a day, and I'm glad I stood firm. I knew my principles, I knew my strategy, and it's paying off. Fantastic. It's been a perfect day. Other than I didn't have any money on hand to be able to buy these dips today, so I could have made a lot of money, but I didn't use leverage. I didn't fall into that trap. I stayed calm, and it is what it is. But my positions are now growing. Let's go live over to my live positions here on my live portfolio. There we go. On the hour, we're just slightly down now. We had huge losses this morning, like 10%. Some of my stocks were down 15, 17%. Awful. But it's all come back today. And I'll show you the day position, and you'll see exactly what I mean. Look how that's risen back today. Been absolutely fantastic. Very pleased. Very happy. We've got some exciting news to share with our YouTube fans as well. We've broken some records today. And our TikTok fans. We've got a record just been smashed on one of our videos. It's one of my Bitcoin videos. Done 192,000 views. I'm very excited about that as well. But if you want to join us, if you're watching this on TikTok, or if you're watching this on Facebook or Twitter, you need to be here on YouTube. The links are all below wherever you're watching. If you're on TikTok, I'm talking to you right now. Click the icon, click the profile link. Right behind there, you will find the YouTube link. All right, if it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. There we go. Come on into the show, ring the bell, subscribe. Excuse me, and give us a thumbs up. There you go. Give us a thumbs up as well. Let YouTube know you like the video, and that helps us grow. We're only 5 months old, but we are growing very quickly. A good number of subscribers every day. Martin Redding is here. Martin, look at this. It's been a perfect day, and I stood firm. Like you said, don't borrow money, don't sell, don't do any of those things. And look, what a recovery today. I believe in my stocks, I believe in my assets, and it couldn't have been better. We're back in the 50,000. It feels like the new 58,000 to be back at 58,000 again. Absolutely wonderful. Really great. On the live position, down in the last half an hour, but we are up nearly 1% today. And very happy with that. Look, as you can see on the week though, we've got a lot of making up to do. Got 9% to do, and I'm sure we'll do it, but it'll take a while. Look, even in fact, 10% if we go over the month to make up. I'm sure I'm going to do it. I'm just going to hold fast. I can't really trade. I can't do anything, but as you can see, we've got this little turn up here at the bottom. So at the end of the day, it's all good. I'm all happy with that. It was like, wow. I mean, what can I say? A big turnaround. I was well, I wasn't getting nervous. I was getting just frustrated by it going down so low. Anyway, let's have a look. And we've got some breaking news as well on our channel as well. Some really cool news to tell you. I've got a record video. Done 192,000 views. Yep, I know. Can you believe it? 192,000 views. I'll share it with you. Show it you right now. Look at this on my TikTok channel. Look at that. 192,000. 167 was the record. Now it's 192,000. Can you believe that? That's like a small city. It's quite a decent sized city, right? So can you believe it? I'm quite excited about that. Very excited indeed. Anyway, just thought I would share that with you. All right, so let's have a look. Tesla made up some ground today. Rivian had an almighty day. Up 10% today now, considering we started down 3%. So we had a swing today of 13% with Rivian. I'm in the money, very comfortably in the money. I'm 13% up with the money. I'm very happy with this now. I said it had found a level. And I think it has. I think we've now got somewhere to grow. I think this is a business now that's going to grow into the future. I feel good about it. and it's just onwards and upwards from here. 36 shares. This is very, very early in the day of Rivian, so let's keep these shares. Let's keep these shares for a number of years. Why not? Virgin Galactic now up 2.5% today. I mean, that's a huge swing. We were down here at 4. That's a 6.5% swing in a day. What a day. Let's keep it up there. Lucid as well. That was down 17%. We're now down 6, so we've gained 11%. That's not bad at all. Keep it going. GGPI's had a great day, up 2.43 now. Robinhood is at 1.3, lowest ever today. If you could have got in there. It's so frustrating because I want to buy into this. I'm sitting here. It's not like I'm not aware of it. I'm looking at Robinhood at the lowest it's ever been, and I'm doing nothing about it. I can't use leverage. I can't. It's the wrong thing to do. Palatine Technologies is up 6%. PayPal is up as well, 0.5%. Great. Immersion is down 1.58. Rolls-Royce had a good day, up 1.8. BA is up 3.17. Apple today is up 2.23. It's a good day. It's a good day. Of course, we're only getting back losses that we've had. If we pan out and look back on the week and all the rest of it, it's all down, but it's good to have a day like this, right? It's good to have a day like this. Sono as well, SEV is down, but it's improved dramatically from where it was. Same as SEV. Big sell-offs this morning, and good. Ethereum, I'm back in the money, only very, very slightly. Be it only 1.1%, $1, but $1.46. But it's a good time to be. At least I'm in the money now again. Looking back at Bitcoin as well, I'm $200 down, not in the money right now with that one, but I soon will be. This was the news we broke to you this morning. EV, Lucid gets SEC subpoena, but it seemed to shake it off. We haven't got any update on that. Some other news that came out today, of course, the Dow, up 730 points, and an S&P 500 up 1.5%. Stocks rise to session high. Not all stocks are rising, remember. I mean, everything's different, but Rivian is the one that could disrupt Tesla, analysts say. That's breaking news as well today. So this is all good. I don't see that happening. As I said before, it's a completely different product in my view, but we shall see. Hey, Martin, it's just me and you. Very, very quiet here this afternoon right now. If you're listening to me on my podcast, good afternoon. Please come over to YouTube and you can join in the trades. But thank you very much for following my podcast over there on wherever you're watching our podcast. We thank you very much for it and appreciate it very, very much indeed. Okay, let's go back over here and let's go into the live chat. Slicky for now. There we go. Let's bring in our guests. Slicky is here. Wonderful stuff. And I've got those pictures now fixed. Those of you that ordered and got a mug, and of course if you go to the shop and get yourself a mug, you will be in Rogue's Gallery. Rogue's Gallery is now working. Sorry about this morning when it just it wasn't working. Let's bring it up for you right now. Here we go. Look, here we go. Dr. Nathan Smith. There he is. Dr. Nathan Smith has his mug. And what about Musanella? Musanella was the guy who bought everybody the mug. Here's Musanella in his beautiful house with his beautiful pool. Look at that. Absolutely wonderful stuff. There's Musanella. What about Chris? There's Christopher. He hasn't got a mug, but he's watching the show. Absolutely great. Fantastic. And of course, Sam. This is Sam, one of our traders. I got to meet him the other day in Dallas. Robert Durant. What about Robert Durant? There he is. Absolutely great. Fantastic. Good stuff. All right, so come and join us here on the Day Trader, and you can get a mug as well. And you can get your own mug, but Musanella said he will be buying some more if Robinhood goes back up to, I think what he said was, let me have a look, 32 by the end of the year. 32 by the end of the year. And some hats as well. But who knows? Who knows? I certainly hope so. It'd be wonderful. Let's go straight back over now to the trading screen once again. Here we go. Let's see the chart. Let's see how things are actually shaping up here. You can see this morning we had these huge sell-offs with Tesla, and then just as strong the candle, the second red. Then we went to the green candle, the second candle, the third candle, the green one. The buy-in was just as big, nearly as big as the sell-off. So people just saw that as an opportunity to get in, and I would have absolutely done so. Oh, hang on, we got some some news here from Martyn. Let's bring it in. Martyn Redding. Let's have a little look. Yep, made a little extra on my buys this morning. WMT, VMC, APX, LVS, WYNN, and BYD. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Would like to see some momentum. Sold some more profit. VIXY and SQQQ this morning. Always good to see that Martyn is selling off his SQQ and VIXY. That means he senses the drop is over. Let's hope so. It would be very, very nice if we could build back what we lost and then start pushing up into new grounds. That would be very, very nice. So thank you very much for sharing all of that information, Martyn. All right, brilliant. So let's go back over to the chart there, and you can see from this morning, Tesla, the big sell-offs and then the big push back in again. Rivian, let's look at their chart, the same sort of pattern, but now we're seeing a really good swing upwards, looking really, really great now today. SPCE, a similar sort of pattern, as you can see. This morning, everything's sold out, and now we're starting to move up. This is setting itself up really, really well. I still think that Bitcoin can make 100,000 by the end of the year. I still think the year will end up on our stocks. You know, Virgin Galactic's huge news could come in December, certainly in January. That's what I'm hoping anyway. Look at Hood this morning. Massive sell-off this morning. Absolutely tanked this morning. But coming in strong. Palatine has had some very good buys in this morning, this afternoon. Very, very good. PayPal, the same. This story is echoing across everything this morning. Look at this one. Immersion. Huge sell-off this morning, but recovering. On, same thing again. Absolutely massive candles. All across the board this morning. It doesn't seem like anything escaped it. BA on the other hand, did seem to escape it. You've got BA there, and you can see BA seemed to have a good morning. Let's go into BA, and you can see it's just been growing all day. I'm still not in the money. Let's get one thing straight. I mean, we are still down, but over the week we're actually up. But over the month, we're not. We've still got a long way to go. So these are good signs. It's a good day, but we've still got a long way to go. Is this a good time to get into a long position? I don't think leverage sell-off is done yet. Well, I'm not involved in leverage. I told you. Duong fam, lovely to have you here. Thank you ever so much for being here. If you've just come for the very first time, please smash the like button every time you're here. That's your ticket for the show, if you like. Subscribe and ring the bell if you've not already done so. And give us a thumbs up. Just so you know, because we have breaking news throughout the day, this is the very, very best way to subscribe to the channel. Let me show you right now. Okay, as you can see, you click the subscribe, go to the bell. You might need to turn that on in notifications on your phone if you've turned notifications off, and set that to all. I'll show you that again. If you just turn it off and then set it to all, make sure it's on all. That way you'll be notified when I bring you breaking news throughout the day. There we go. Thank you very much indeed for that. All right. So Boeing's had a great day. Your question is this a good time to get into long position? Well, what is it you're looking to get into? I think we're at the beginning of the. I think Rivian is without a doubt a good time now. I think it's settled down. It's dropped a lot. I mean, 170 at one point. I think Rivian's a good time to get in, of course. It's always a good time. I mean, Virgin Galactic is insanely cheap. Insanely cheap. This can be huge, this company. Virgin Galactic, definitely. Maybe like next year, this starts to pop up. You can make a quick buck in January, maybe. Tesla, of course, is down at the moment today, so there's a bit of a bargain with Tesla right now. I know it's $1,000 a share, but we could once we get to we could be very soon. We could split this stock, and it's coming in the new year, I would imagine. And then if you've got 10, you'll have 100 stocks. If you do 10 to 1, you'll be able to contract then. So, and that'll make the price go up as well. Will Rivian drop again? I don't know if Rivian will drop again. I feel it's found its bottom. We had around 108 round here. It went a bit low, 103, 101. It went around about here, but this is really unrealistic sell-offs right now. I feel it's a new company, right? It's new IPO'd. I feel it's a good time to get in. I think this company in a year or two could be at $300-400 a share, $1,000 a share in 5 years. I think it's a good time to get in. Absolutely. Absolutely. I think it's shown resistance now in very, very, very difficult times. The COVID variant, the sell-offs, the correction, it's sort of held itself. Look, it peaked up, all that hype, which was ridiculous. We all know about the 170 up the top. Look, it all dropped back, and then it's been hovering around here, but it's pushing back up again. I would say it's a good time to get into Rivian, but I'm not a financial advisor. Don't listen to me. What do I know? All I know is this is my portfolio from 5,000 to what was 58. We're now back at 50, but I am very, very, very happy with this today. This is a good return to me. Awesome stuff. So, we got Bill now in the house. Thank you, Bill, for being here. I wanted to share with everyone today some very, very exciting news. Over there on TikTok, we got an army of people. Thank you ever so much for joining me. If you want to be part of our TikTok, the proper show, and talk to my traders, see my trading screens, you need to be here on YouTube. The link, I've put the link, very simple for you. It's right behind the icon. Click the icon again, and you will see the YouTube link. And you can come on in, talk to the team, and we have some giveaways today, as we do every day. Free stocks to give away. We have some $10 bills to give away, and we also have some $25 bills to give away, $10 worth of Bitcoin to give away. But you need to be on YouTube if you want me to give you the links to claim those benefits. All right. Hi. Can I ask, how much did you start this portfolio with? Just $5,000. I started it with $5,000. I put an extra $500 in, but that's it. Everything else has grown from itself. Everything else has grown from itself. I believe good investment should be profiting from profit. And that's what I do. That's what I've done with this portfolio. And we've had a really, really bad time, but at the end of the day, we're going back up again now, so it's okay. This portfolio here was built so that I could sleep and relax and not stress. If you want to be part of the Discord group, Bartos, let me bring your name up. Well done. When did you start? We started in May 24th, just a few months, just before this YouTube channel started. And this YouTube channel has seen it all live here on the show. Bartos, how did you find out about the show? Where did you come from? How did you learn about the show? And I invite you to click subscribe and ring the bell. We're a brand new channel. We try to do things differently from other people. Everything you see here is my real money, real trades. Click the thumbs up button. We like to get to 20 likes for each show, and our record is 50. And some breaking news I wanted to share with everyone. On TikTok, I've just gone through 192,000 views on one of my videos. Let me share with you guys. Look at this. I wanted to share it with you. Look at this. This is TikTok live right now. Look, 192,000. My Bitcoin video. How about that? I'm so excited about that. Coming up to 250,000 views. And I know that's a way to go, but Let's keep pushing forward, right? There we go. Great stuff. Thank you very much indeed. Let's go back over to the portfolio on Robinhood. Where are you from, Bartos? Because oh, you came from TikTok. Well, thank you very much indeed. You are one of the 10%. 90% are scrolling through looking for nonsense, but 10% are actually looking for real traders, real positions. We're very quiet right now today so far. Oh, there we go. Daniel Dyers is here. Which stocks are up on your portfolio today? Well, everything was down at the beginning. Bartos, where in the world are you from? If all my regulars would put their countries and cities, please, in the live chat. Bartos, if you could do the same. Daniel, the same. Slicky, Duang Pham, Bill, Martin, be great. We've got a new member, 2 new members here. I'm actually from Cornwall in the United Kingdom, and I'm actually now based here in Texas. So if you're in the UK, I can give you some free, do you want some free stocks and some free money? Everything we do here today is to help people. Daniel's from Puerto Rico, and we thanked Puerto Rico the other day, remember? If market's green tomorrow, I buy some stock on Wednesdays. Good for you. I would have bought it this morning if I'd had some money on hand, but I'm fully invested. Right, so you're from England. So I can give you one link here for all of my links, okay? This is called the All Links button. So hold this one and go and check this out, okay? This is for you, or for anyone new, the All Links button. But if you're from the UK, I'm going to give you the one specifically for you. You can set up eTORO. Now, when you set up an eTORO account and fund it, they give me a referral fee. They give me some money. So I like to give some of it back to you. And I will send you $10. Once it's cleared, you can tell me your account. I'll see it here. I'll see you've set it up. And they'll give me some money, and I will send you some money, whether it's via Apple Pay or Google Pay. So there is the eTORO one. All of these are under the All Links button as well, which is even easier. COINBASE, if you sign this up and set this up, they give you $10 of Bitcoin just for setting it up using my referral. This one here is Crypto.com. They'll give you $25 if you get one of their debit cards. There you go. And finally, WEBULL. All of these you can do in the UK. All right. And if you want to be part of our Discord group, I'll give you that. Same thing. It's all on the All Links button as well. Okay. Wonderful. Why is your buying power 41,000? You sold everything and changed your portfolio. No. 41,000. No. 41,000 is leverage. It's money I can use for virtually free, like 2.5% APR from Robinhood, but I don't borrow the money. That's margin, that's leverage funds. If I wanted to borrow money from Robinhood right now at 2.5%, I could borrow that. And boy, I wasn't tempted, but I thought, well, if I used some of that this morning, I knew the markets were going to go up, but here's the truth. I didn't know the markets were going to go up. I believed they would. I thought they would, and they did. But if they hadn't, and they'd gone down, I could have had a margin call and really been in trouble. And I don't gamble. That would be gambling. Using borrowed money when if it goes one way, you get rich. If it goes the other way, you get poor, is a gamble. That's like a roulette wheel, and I'm not doing that. Not doing that at all. So that's what that is there. It's there to show you, but it's not actually money for me to spend. I don't spend it. I make money from money. I've only put in 5,500 to this portfolio, and that's all I'm going to put in until I say to you different. Anyway, Rivian is now pushing up 11%. Oh, it's shooting up now. 12%. 12% Rivian now. This is wonderful to see. I'm at $556 today. Sorry, $560 in total. My portfolio is now really lifting off again. On the last hour, we're down very slightly. But over the day, we're up over 1%. So I'm very happy with that. SPCE dropping back slightly. Thanks, Bartos. We'll be joining today. Yeah, take advantage of any of those. But what you get more than just the free money is you get the family here who will support you. We will discuss what we're trading. We will tell you honestly. We go live here every weekday for the live show, morning and evening. Plus we have breaking news as well throughout the day. So, you know, there you go. And I had a video come out today, a very, very important one. You might get something out of this. It's only a couple of minute video. I will share the link with you. If you copy and paste this, you can take a look at it at the end of the show. And if you'd like me to promote you on YouTube, if you go below the video and leave a comment, I will often highlight you to the top. So here is that video in the live chat on 3, 2, 1. There you go. It's also on Discord as well. All right, there you go. Maybe you'd like to be part of that. So you started again from 5,000. When was this? So you started again. No, I didn't start again. I didn't start again. I didn't start again at all. This is the same portfolio I've had all the time. Basically I put 5,500 bucks in this entire time, and I started again, as in I sold and bought back in again and all the rest of it, put the money back in the bank and started again. And then I went live on air, I think it was in 4 months ago. So about a month after I started all this, I started broadcasting so everyone could see everything I've done. Everything has been done in front of everyone. Dr. Nathan Smith's here. Ah, great. Now Dr. Nathan Smith is here. I want to share with everyone. Are you ready? Are you ready, everybody? Here we go. We're now going into the Rogues Gallery. This is the Day Trader family so far. If you are one of the hardcore fans, are you ready? There you go. There is Dr. Nathan Smith. He has his Martyn Lucas Day Trader mug. If you see what that is, it's the ML America and England, and it is the king of the microphone, because as you all know, I'm a singer as well, and I use a microphone. That's what the crown over the microphone is, if you didn't spot that. There's Muzanella. There he is, look, he's the guy who bought everybody the mug. He bought 10 mugs. There's Muzanella. We have Christopher Marantet from Canada watching the show right now. He doesn't have a mug. He said, don't send me one of the mugs. I don't want to take one away from anybody else. But there he is. And there's Sam. We met Sam and his family the other day. Wonderful stuff. And here is Robert Durant. Robert Durant. That's Photoshop. What's Photoshop? Daniel Diaz. What's Photoshop? Dr. Smith. Yes, he put he took 2 separate pictures. He did that himself. Yes, that is Dr. Nathan Smith though. That's Photoshop. Dr. Smith is right right below your comment. He will tell you that's him. All right, that is him. He just took a picture of he took the 2 separate pictures. All right. Oh dear, oh dear. No, that is definitely him. You can see, look, and if you don't believe me, oh, look, Dr. Smith, you've caused me trouble today. Look, people are going, it's all not real. There you go, look, that is the same person. That is the same person. All right. In fact, I'll put 2 on the screen at the same time. Look, same person. He just sent me that picture in, and he's taken a photograph of it and then put it on. Yes, it is me. See? Oh, dear me. You are in the right place. This is an honest, truthful channel. We're not trying to manipulate or anything. All right, guys? This really is the real deal. And we want you all to know that, okay? It's very, very important, that is, to us. There you go. And I'll play that video again properly when you all when the whole team arrive here. So, hey, Dr. Nathan Smith, haven't we had a good day today? Everything's recovered. I feel great. Really, really great today. And I wanted to share with you, Dr. Smith. Look at this. On TikTok, can you see? Top left-hand corner, my top video. 192.9 thousand views on my Bitcoin video. 192,000. I've only been on TikTok now for about 3 months, and I took a whole of October off. Can't believe it. And 8,500 followers now. Absolutely incredible. And then you can see we're live. If I click on that, this is where we are on TikTok. All right. If you're over there on TikTok, hi from Russia. Good night. From Russia, wonderful. Do you guarantee your financial advice? No, I don't. I'm not a financial financial advisor. I'm actually the world piano man, as voted by Elton John as the world piano man. Come over to YouTube. You can talk to my traders and you can see my actual positions. If you really are serious on trading and making money, I'm actually giving people free money today. Free Bitcoin. Yep, without doing anything. But you have to be on YouTube and you'll see my trades. You can't see it. So you're just on my phone. The Queen of Self-Braiding and Slicky. There you go. All your hard work is paying off, Martin. Thank you very much indeed. The channel is inches away from 4,000 watch hours. Inches away in just 5 months. We're not there yet. We're not there yet. Some of the videos that don't count, the short videos don't count for the watch hours. So we're just, there's a few hours they're deducting, but we are very, 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 very close. 8 more subscribers to hit 200. Oh, congratulations, the Queen of Self-Braiding. Very, very good. You've been getting closer and closer every day. I'm very pleased that a lot of my traders have actually followed you. Julius Caesar, we've got a bit of Russian coming in now. Is that Russian? What language is that? Awesome. What does that mean? I'd love that translated. Of course, I could translate it with my translator, but difficult when I'm on air. So, anyway. In a few minutes' time, I'll share with you those pictures again of the team. But, right, the bell's just gone. I didn't ring it. I'll ring it now. There you go. Missed it by a few seconds, but never mind. Let's have a look. It's been a very, very good day. I'm very, very happy. We started with almighty crashes. But I held strong. I didn't use leverage. I came back, and I'm very, very, very happy with where we came back. Really, really good. If you just arrived, smash the like button. We'll try to get to 20 likes by the end of the show. That would be wonderful. Our record is 50, and that would be wonderful. So Tesla's now trading sideways. Good. Rivian is moving up in the after hours. This is great to see. SPCE, what's it doing? I don't mind it going sideways. I just don't want to see it selling off again. Lucid, pretty much sideways. Very early. We're only a minute into it. Let's see. Gores Guggenheim slightly up. Robinhood slightly up in the after hours. Very, very good. That's what we want to see. Palatine slightly down, but not much. Up for PayPal in the after hours as well. Immersion is up slightly in the after hours. Rolls-Royce trading sideways. Boeing had a great day, up nearly 4% today, just trading slightly in the after hours. Apple just trading very slightly, but again, another great day. Apple at the moment is behaving more like, oh, hello, Russia. Ah, hello there. Please, can I have some free Bitcoin? You can if you come to YouTube. I will give you $10 of Bitcoin. I'm a huge supporter. Luke Shepherd, if you just click the link here, click it again, you'll see my profile, you'll see my icon, you click it, and there's the YouTube link. Come straight over to YouTube. You'll be here within 3 seconds, 3 clicks, and I'm gladly give you the link, and you can get $10 of Bitcoin absolutely free, no catches whatsoever. But you have to be on my YouTube channel. I can't give it you on here. I can't share any links. Absolutely impossible. Bitcoin prediction in 10 years. I would expect it to Bitcoin 10 years could be $1 million. No one knows. I don't know, but that's I certainly see it going up a long, long, long way. I'm still in it. I haven't sold any of it. I'm holding it, and I'm happy with that. It's an asset. It's not something to spend, but I do have my wallets. A Bitcoin just dropped to now 0.34. Still feel it could go to 100,000 by the end of the year. We've had recoveries today from Ethereum, up 1.84. Very, very good. Who is interested in the crazy stuff? Who's interested in our Coinbase account for a bit of crazy, where is it? Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu. It's not an investment. This is my lottery ticket. I'll buy it for a lottery ticket. It's down 0.56. Very slightly down today. But there you go. I'll share it with you if you want to see it. There it is. There's my... there it is. Here's another way you get free money. On my Coinbase account, if you use my referral, look at this. Learn and earn. You get, look, $2, all this money free. $2, $3, $1, $4. See this? Look, I got all this free money just by doing the learn and earn stuff. You can get all this free money. That's genuine, real stuff, but you need my referral link. You need to be on YouTube. If you want it, to come onto YouTube. The link is right behind there. If you're watching on Facebook or Twitter, the same thing. You do need to be in on YouTube for the links. I only give the free money to my YouTube fans. Got to reward the top people, right? Okay. Thank you for the follow, by the way. Thank you everyone on TikTok who's following me. Very, very kind of you. Appreciate it very much indeed. Let's go over now to the chart of Rivian. Let's see what's happening after hours. Let's see it. Oh, see that? Still getting buying coming in. Let's go back to it again on the main screen. Yeah, you can see it. Buying in on the after hours. Look, we're still getting green candles coming in. Very, very nice. Very, very nice indeed. And now we've got a good amount of people in. Let me share with you some good stuff, some cool stuff, right? Good day, a little sell-off this afternoon, but all is good. Up for the day. Yeah, we'll do the scores in a minute. We'll see who won the day. You never know. It might be me. Hello, Russia. We've got a message from Julius Caesar to our friends over on TikTok. We've got a friend, Julius Caesar, in YouTube who speaks Russian. So come on into YouTube and you can talk to her. Would love you to do that. All right. So I want to share a couple of things. First of all, for those of you that are a real fan of the show, I'm sure you'll be excited to see this. Look at this. This is on TikTok. Look, 192,000 views. The top left one, see it? Nearly 250,000 views to one of my videos about Bitcoin on TikTok. Can you believe that? 192.9 thousand views. I'm very excited. And 8,500 followers. Absolutely great. And there we go. Thank you very much indeed if you are one of those people that have done that. Right. For those of you that are all here now, here is the Rogues Gallery. I know, isn't it amazing? The YouTube channel is growing just as quick. Everything across the channel now is growing just as quick. It's really, really exciting. Okay. So here are our fans. Here's Dr. Nathan Smith with his mug. There he is. And here's Muzanella with his mug. He was the guy who bought all 10 mugs, of course. And here's Christopher Marantet from Canada. No mug, but I'm on the screen. I met Sam the other day. And here's Robert Durant as well on the screen. And here is Sam. I wanted to share this with everyone. This morning I tried to play it. It wasn't very good. Here we go.
Guess who this is? This is Sam, one of our day traders. He's here today. Tonight we popped out to have a beer just down here in Dallas, Texas. And our star day trader, one of our newest day traders, Sam's here. Sam, it's great to see you, mate. This is cool.
Yeah, absolutely.
But you were just telling me earlier, I didn't even realise this, but there was an embarrassing moment in our show the other day. Right, my mate Bill from Canada, right? We all know and we all love Bill because Bill is a war veteran and he's got his little scooter and he loves his little scooter. And what's it you were saying about the scooter, Sam?
Well,
just remind me.
Let me back up for just a second. Alistair had made a funny joke about a Tesla ATV that had just come out, and he said it'll send children from 0 to the hospital in under 3 seconds. That was absolutely hilarious. And then Bill had said, and I was in a joking mood at the time, he said, "Oh, I wish Tesla would make a mobility scooter." And I thought he was genuinely joking, and I'm so sorry, Bill, but I thought that we were in that same joking mode, and you know, threw him out.
Are we still friends? Are we still friends with Sam? Hey guys, I thanks ever so much for being part of our family. It's such a great family, and such an honour for me to be able to meet one of our members of the family here, Sam from Dallas, Texas. Absolutely awesome. Sam, it's really good meeting you tonight. Cheers, buddy.
Absolutely. And cheers. Thank you.
Cheers, mate. See you, folks.
There you go. Isn't that cool? I got a chance to meet one of our day traders in a pub in Dallas. Absolutely wonderful. And that was a lot of fun doing that. There you go. So if you've got a mug, and when you get a mug, send in a picture. Send in a picture, and we'd love to see it. Yep, I want all my fans in the show. I also want pictures of you with your mugs next to your trading screens. Try and get someone to take a photograph of you next to one of the screens to show the show on a screen. And I want to share all this stuff. Hello, it's Liam Sankey. How you doing? I'm watching stream while going to school. Well, going to school. How you doing? Are you Liam Sankey? Air traffic controller, first officer. There we go. We're all very, very well. We had an almighty morning this morning. Biggest sell-offs. I asked everybody, should I sell off? Should I use leverage? Of course, if I had have done, I would have made a lot of money, because I would have spent like $10,000-$20,000, and I would have bought a lot of things that did go up. But of course, if it had gone the other way, I would have been in trouble. I don't regret it. I don't mind. My portfolio would have been up maybe a couple of $1,000 I could have made out of that risk. It wasn't worth it. A couple of $1,000 and risk being wiped out, it wasn't worth it to me. So I didn't do it, and I don't mind doing it. And you all said, it was something like 64% said no, and I'm glad. I also asked, should I sell out? I didn't want to, but I asked the question, and it was the right thing to do. If I'd sold before it dropped at the beginning of the day and then bought at the bottom, that would have been better. Again, very, very risky situation when the stocks aren't behaving in any way that's relative to their performance. They're just behaving because of panic. So all you're doing is jumping in the panic. So I didn't want to do that. Remember, buy when everyone is selling, and sell when everyone's buying. I didn't want to panic, and I didn't panic, and I'm very, very pleased that I didn't. And I tell you what, I'm very, very, very happy to see that the stocks are up, and not only they're up, but we're getting a lot of things here actually still going up in the after hours. So I think we're going to get some buy-ins now, and we could start to improve tomorrow. Cryptocurrency as well, up 2% on Ethereum. Bitcoin is down slightly, but very close to 50,000. I'm still very, very confident about it, so I'm not too worried there either. Looking for the news to come out about the subpoena of Lucid, of course. We want to know how that all pans out. And, of course, the stocks rise to session high with the Dow. Now, of course, I'm not on a record high because that's across the whole market. I've got some very high-risk stocks, of course, but there you go. Good to see things moving up. Rivian is the one that could disrupt Tesla, and analysts say. I don't see that at all. I think they're probably all American, and they're focusing on this flipping truck. Everyone is excited about their truck. And every time I see it and read about it, I go, you don't know what you're talking about. America is a small market. It's just America. For Rivian to grow into this price, it needs to be a global company like Tesla is. And that only thing applies there is the Tesla, is the Rivian van, not the trucks. You go anywhere outside of America, no one cares about the truck. A handful of people do, I get it. But not mass market. Hardly anybody in England would buy a truck. Hardly anyone at all. And same in Europe. Same in China. Same in Japan. I mean, like everywhere. So I don't see as Tesla's in trouble at all. When Rivian will build a gigafactory, I have no idea which they will need to. They will need to match this price here. But of course they will, because they're on top of it now. They've got loads and loads and loads of money behind them. They're backed by the biggest people in the world. They know the market is there. Everybody wants their product. So they've got to do it. It's just. But as Elon Musk has said, it's very, very difficult to ramp up. It's not too difficult to invent an electric car when he gave the patents for free anyway. So everyone knows how they're made. Everyone stripped them down, and all the patents are available. It's not hard to make an electric vehicle. What is hard is to scale up and produce them and sell them across the world and make them cool and make everybody want to buy one, which is exactly what Tesla are masters at. There we go. See? There you go. I'm being backed up there. Yeah, people in the UK don't care about trucks. Yeah, I mean, if you drive around England, you'll see like every, I don't know, God, every 100 cars will be a truck. I bet it's less than that. I bet it's less than maybe every 1,000. I don't know. There are trucks. There are people that like trucks, but it's no one. I've seen a green Tesla in my city before. Ah, there you go. A green one? That's a funny colour. Is there a green one? A green Tesla? I've never seen a green Tesla. I've looked at all the colours. But anyway, wouldn't China EV company NIO ramp up much faster? Yeah, but I mean, it's a different product. It's a different product altogether. I mean, Tesla is a premier product. And once the Model 3 comes out, is it Model 2? Model 2 comes out with all the incentives in California with the maximum like discounts and rebates. It's something like $17,000 with all the rebates put on the top. I mean, that's insane. That's cheaper than a regular car, a lot cheaper than a new regular car. So I don't see anything really taking away. I mean, Tesla is at the moment, I think, is it the third best car? Most popular car in Europe, or the most popular car in Europe, something like that. I know it's the most popular car in the Netherlands, so I don't see that as an issue at all. Anyway, we've got 15 minutes to go. Let's get everyone's score on the door. Everyone's score on the door. I am up today 0.66. I'm up today 0.66. Let's get that in. If you want to get the Discord group, if you want the free money, the free Bitcoin, the free shares, you want to be part of the Discord, you want to be part of the podcast, you want the Twitter, you want all these wonderful, wonderful things. They're all on this one link. All links, it's called, and it's in the chat in 3, 2, 1. There it is. They're being flying taxis. There will be flying taxis coming out. Yep. There already are, aren't there, in New York? I think there already are. Drones and stuff like that. I am up 0.28. Oh, get in. I think I'm beating the doctor right now. I'm beating the doctor. Up 0.28. I'm up 0.66. So I take the lead. Anybody else? Bring your scores on. Let's have a see what everyone's doing. Really, really good. Hang on, shall I put my score in? I never put my score in. I'm up. I've never done that before. This is quite exciting. I feel like you now. Look, I'm up 0.65. Look at that. I can bring my own score in. Will it come through? Yeah, look. Hey! I've never been on the screen before. I never even thought about it. Why have I never thought about that? I'm up 0.65. I'm up $100. Yeah, but what's your percentage? What's your percentage? Because that's irrelevant, because it's about, because everyone's portfolio is a different size. Do your percentage. Because if you look here, you'll see that I'm actually up $320. But that's relative to your size of portfolio. Someone's got a $20 trillion billion portfolio will be up $1 million, and they might only be up 1%. So it's about the percentage, so everyone's got a fair chance to win. So that might be a winning score, I don't know. I can't wait to get my chemistry award at school. I came first place. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to you. How old are you, air traffic controller? How old are you? Let us know how old you are. All right, we've got 18 likes now. Smash the like button. Let's see if we can get 2 more before the bell goes. That'll be absolutely great. Congratulations. That is awesome. It is. Thanks. I'm 15. Wow, you're 15 years of age and you're watching our show. Amazing. 0.86. I'm sorry. That was a good score, but I'm now 0.91. Look, you can see it on the screen. I'm not lying. You can see, look. You must be our youngest trader. Look, I'm at 0.9. That still wins. Oh my God, am I the winner today? Am I the winner? I'm waiting for John Brunette, Martin Redding, Musanello or Balasir, one of the big guns, to come in. I might win, but you know, I'm second or third though. I'll take that all day long. But anyway. We've got 10 minutes left of the show to go. Must be your youngest traffic air controller first officer. Yeah, for sure. I am up 0.54. Hey, I'm up 1% now. I'm just doing better and better. 1.02. 1.03. I'm on fire, guys. Look, I'm on fire here. I'm going to write that in. Whoops. Up 1.056 now. There you go. I keep updating it. I want to make sure I've got the best possible score to see if I can win. So we're going to give you 30 seconds. If Martin Redding doesn't come back or anyone else, I'm going to call it. And so far, it's me. I haven't won for ages. This will be a big moment. This will be a very exciting moment. Up. Doug Pham, up 0.852. 0.852. Very, very close, but I still beat you. 0.852. Let's have a look. Martin, you did well today. It was so bloody in the morning. Yes, I did well because I'm very, very happy with my stocks. I'm staying firm. And that is it. The portfolio is balanced. It's how the whole thing has grown so much in such a short time. About to go to my fire department. What's going on here? Oh, dear me. Right. I think I'm the winner. 1 point. Oh, CryptoCam came in. Or Bill at 0.48. CryptoCam just came in and stole it right in the last dying seconds. I was just about to announce myself as the winner, and CryptoCam came in and stole it. So anyway, thumbs up to you. Thank you very much for sharing your honest trades. And of course, give them a big round of applause. There you go. And a big air horn. There we go. Congratulations to you. Well done indeed. Well done. Well, we're in the dying minutes now of the show. It's been a very, very good day. Feel very, very good. A lot of recoveries. Love this now. It's been a real test of character today. Thank you to the new people that joined us, that came over from TikTok. I hope you take advantage of all those free offers. They are free. I don't bring you anything that's a scam or anything that's not right. It's all good. And what I do is I give you more back than anyone. Anything I get from referring you, I share back with you. That's what I do, right? So here, it once again, is the all links button. You can go to that one link and that will take you to the WEBULL money, the crypto, 25 bucks, the COINBASE, $10 of Bitcoin, eTORO, $10. I'll give you that. Robinhood, free stocks. It will take you to my shop, of course. The Discord group, the podcast group, all of that stuff, all of it is all on that one link. It's all there for you in the chat. And don't forget, all these links are below all the videos in the description as well. Well, on my other account, I'm up 1.53. Well, why didn't you say that then? Why didn't you say that? Is that your main account? The rules is your main account. Is the other account a small one and you might only have one stock in it? And that can happen sometimes. You can have a stock with up 100%, but you've only got one stock. Your main portfolio we're talking about. And Dr. Nathan Smith says, congratulations. A few of you arrived. Have a great one, Martyn Lucas. Well, thank you very much indeed. For those of you who came right at the end, some of you came right at the end, just in the dying moments, because we're about to just end the show. We've got like 6 minutes to go. I want to share with you just very quickly something very, very exciting. Look, there we go. On TikTok, 192,000 views. So one of my videos, 192,000 views. I had given the Robinhood one. Oh, I see. Oh, that is my main one. Well, you would have won then if you'd said that. Why didn't you do it? Look, 192,000 views. There you go. I thought I'd share that with you. And for the benefit of for crypto, yeah, it's cool, isn't it? Exciting. And we're just inches away now from 4,000 watch hours. We're inches away. If you want to help at the end of the show, just rewind the video, just drag it back and watch it again on mute. That makes a big difference to the watch hours as well. But we are, all of a sudden, we'll hit the 4,000. We're very, very close. And lastly, because some of you came in right at the last minute, I wanted to share this with you. This is the Rose Gallery of our fans with their mugs. Dr. Nathan Smith, there he is. And Muzanella, of course, who bought all the mugs. And there's Christopher. He hasn't got a mug. He said send it to someone else. But he's watching the show. And there is Sam, who I got to meet the other day. And, of course, there's Robert Durant as well with his mug. Absolutely awesome. Fantastic. And we played you that video of Sam earlier as well, which was fun. All right. Okay. Well, let's have one final check across the chart. And then we're off to the music show. If you've just joined me for the very first time and would like to be part of the music show, live here on this channel, of course, on the homepage, you will see the link to my music channel. And come and join me in half an hour. I'll be there. But here is a video I invite you all to watch. It will take 2 minutes of your time. Here it is. It's all about the Tesla stock crash, Solar City, the day trader family. Yeah, it is indeed. We need everyone else to do it, though. There's another 5 left to come. So here in the chat right now is the video that premiered about an hour ago. It's only a couple of minutes long. If you could all go and watch it, please. And leave a comment and leave a like on it. It'd be awesome. We're trying to get the video to start taking off. And they are. We're getting some videos that are taking off. I think on TikTok, most certainly. But YouTube now, it's slowly starting to wake up. We matched... Getting some idiots talk to me over there on TikTok. Hi from Kenya. Hello from Kenya. Hey, we got a lot of friends from Africa here on The Day Trader, but they're not on TikTok. They're on YouTube. Click the icon here. Click the YouTube link and come over and talk to us. For the benefit of Mr. Kite, there will be a show tonight on trampoline. Very, very good, Bill. Very, very good. Except there won't be. There will be a benefit for Mr. Kite, and there will be a show tonight, but it will be on my piano stool, sitting down, not bouncing up and down on a trampoline. But I get where you're coming from. Okay, well, we're going to wrap up the show right now. Of course, new is something we are looking at. Is anybody interested in this? On Thursday, it's an IPO. We have a lot of fun with IPO days. And it's a digital bank based in Brazil. I've ordered my 1 share. I've now got some money, of course, made some profits again. Should we buy the IPO new? What do you think? It comes out on Thursday. I'm going to study it tonight, and maybe we'll have an IPO day. Very exciting days they are. I know it's a Beatles song. For the benefit of Mr. Kite, there will be a show tonight on trampoline. I know how it goes. But yeah, so we're going to cover that on Thursday. I'm still thinking about it. Yeah, let's have a conversation on Discord. Let's discuss it tomorrow. I'm looking into it. I've reserved 1 just to mark it up. I don't know right now what to do with it. I've got all my money invested right now. I've got profits, of course, but I'm not selling anything right now. I need to get back 10%. So maybe I won't even be able to sell and make any money, because I wouldn't want to sell my assets right now. Because if you look at it on a month's low, I'm down 9.5%. I mean, that's wouldn't be a good time to sell, would it really? And I haven't got any more money on standby to come in. So this is good news. Look, in the after hours, things pumping up. I wonder what it is that's pumping up. It's not Tesla. Rivian is sideways. SPCE is moving up in the after hours. Lucid sideways, GGPI sideways, Hood, that's moving up in the after hours. Paladin is whoa! Has everybody seen this? Look at Paladin. It's up 21% in the after hours. Look at this. That's a huge jump. 22%. Wow, look at this, folks. I'm making some money here in the after hours. Look at this. I'm up $236, 21% in the after hours. Wow. Keep an eye on this. We're not going to close just yet for a minute then. We are now moving up 0.25% in $131 in the last 10 minutes. I'm looking at that on my app, of course. Look at this. A huge, that's Palatine. Have we got any charts explaining that? Yeah, let's go over to the chart. Here we go. Look at this. This has just happened in the last couple of seconds. A massive buy-in. A massive buy-in there, Palatine. I'm still down 8%. I'm not going to sell that. I'm down $97, but that was a huge lift off there. And just as quickly, it's coming back down again. That was a big push. That's encouraging. Wow. Didn't see that coming. Didn't see that coming on a day like today, when everything is like sluggish. All of a sudden, we shoot up 21% on a stock. Wow. I'm not looking to sell it. I'm not looking to buy any more of it. If it carries on like that, might have some profit. Who knows for new? Who knows? Lot staff, ELY and BROS are a good long-term holds. They are. We've got a tip coming in now. And Bros are a good long-term. Thank you very much indeed for that. ELY and BROS are a good long-term hold. So in the last moments of the show, we had a huge lift-off. Palatine up 21% in minutes. That's incredible. Look at that lift-off there. That is nice. I started buying Palatine at 0.42. Yeah, my average is 72. I didn't buy any today. I've just kept out of it, but that's fine. I'm okay with that. I do have BROS. There we go. I do have bros. You on about your brothers or what? All right. Well, that's it for me today. So it's a very, very, very good day. I'm very happy, to be honest. I feel a lot better. Woke up this morning with all kinds of issues, and very, very different story right now. Very different story. If we look at today, look, I'm up $649 today, but at one point today we were down, so we've gone up $2,000 from where we were today. We were down as low as I think it was 3% I had left. I'm up to 9.87 now. Very different portfolio than it was this morning. This morning there was 3% left between turning my all-time chart red. Nice. I love their coffee, bros. All right. We have got to go get ready for the music show. Thank you ever so much today. You've been wonderful. Keep watching. If you want me to get to 4,000 watch hours, take this video right now and just drag the timeline back. You can mute it, of course, and let it play through again. That will make all the difference. We are just a day or two away now from hitting 4,000 watch hours, and we're pumping again. Look at it move again. Over there on the app, is that Palatine again? Is it having a second go? Let me have a look. Yep, it's gone back up again. Yep, we're getting that anyway. I can't monitor it anymore. I've got to go. It's wonderful. I look forward to seeing you all in the morning for the opening bell, if not tonight. And of course, very soon we'll be starting our Christmas songs as well. And tune in for that. That's it. The end of a great day. We started today. What did we learn today? We learned keep calm. If you've got good investments, if the fundamentals haven't changed, stick with it. And that's exactly what we did. We stuck with it. We grew it. We kept calm. I could have made money if I borrowed the money. If I used leverage, I would have made money without a doubt. But I would have put my entire portfolio at risk if it had gone the other way. And no one knows which way it's going to go. It's impossible. So I didn't use it. I don't feel bad about it. And we're all good. Today we hit 192,000 on one video on TikTok. We're nearly 10,000 followers. YouTube channel, we're just a few away now from 2,000 subscribers on this channel. Absolutely amazing. That's it from me. Take care of yourselves and each other.